1 and explanation 2 I have sent to you. Did you all get it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes,
Did,
ma'am.
did, did you bother to go through it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So those who did not go through it, I will be briefing you up with the new chapter. Okay. In spite of sending you the explanation, I will be re-explaining the chapter to you. Clear? Now, India, our country, is the next chapter that we will take up. Please switch off your mic. We will be doing the glossary. Number 1, you will be writing down the glossary. Clear? Number 2, open page 150. On page 150, there's a world map. You are supposed to do this world map on a physical world map. Mark all this. This you have done earlier also. Do it again. Mark all the continents and their names. Mark all the oceans. Mark all the important latitudes given here. Equator, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, etc. All this is to be marked. That means the entire figure 7.1 is to be done. Clear? Is this much clear? Moving further,
Yes, ma'am.
moving further, come to page 152. Put a tick mark on the political map of India. You will be marking all the states and their capitals, and you will be coloring it with light colors. You will be using light pencil colors to color it. Okay? Do not smudge your map. Okay? After you finish coloring, then you will write the states and capitals with black gel pen. Am I clear? With black gel pen. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Put a tick
Yes,
mark on page 152, figure 7.2. Now the third thing that you will do. First, you will do the glossary. Second, you will do the world map. Third, you will do the political map of India given on page 152. Till here, is it clear? Now come to the fourth thing that you will do. Come to page 153. Can you see India and its neighboring countries? Figure 7.3. Please put a tick mark. You will be marking India. Along with India, all the neighboring countries. You will color it again with light colors as given in this map. Clear? This is
Yes,
your
ma'am.
this is your fourth work that you will do. Clear? Now
Yes, ma'am.
coming to the fifth work, turnover, figure 7.4, India physical divisions. Can you see the map? The Great Himalayas, then the northern plains, the Great Indian Desert, Vindhya Range, that means the Deccan area, then the coastal area, all these along with the key which is given here. Can you see a key box here? Just a second, I will try to show you. Hold on. I am putting my screen on sharing so that I can show you what exactly I want. Okay, after you do this map, please do not forget to make this key also. Why? Because when you are doing this brown, you are marking the mountain ranges. Did you get it? When you are coloring this green, you are marking the plain regions. So all these green areas are plain regions. When you are marking this yellow area, that is the plateau region. So make sure when you're doing this, you do everything in a proper way, and then you write. Can you see these bold brown lines? These are the mountain ranges which are scattered all over. Clear? So this key is very necessary to tell What color signifies what area? Clear? That is why I want you all to do this. Am I clear till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 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 okay. Can you see me?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am.
I'm what to do. Can you see me? It's
No,
not
ma'am.
showing. It's not showing.
No.
Are you seeing the benches and all now?
Yes, ma'am.
No, what? Yes, ma'am. Yes. Now you can see me. Okay. So now when we talk of all these things, the last thing, that is the sixth thing now that you're going to do is the states and capitals. Now this you will do from the Google search. You will look for on Google Chrome, you will search for India's states and capitals and union territories. Clear? Am I clear? There
Yes,
are
ma'am. Yes,
29
ma'am.
states. There are 29 states
Yes, ma'am.
and 9 union territories. Okay? Please see that you write the latest. In some old books, there are given 7 union territories. No, there are 9. Okay? So Google search it properly and then do it. Now, before we begin this chapter, I have given you the details. I am quickly revising and telling you what all is to be done. Number one, glossary. Number two, world map. Number three, the political map. Number four, the neighboring countries. Number five, the physical map of India, 7.4. And number six, you will write down the names of the states and their capitals. On a ruled side, you will divide the page. One side you will write states, the other side you will write capital. Clear? You write 1, 2, 3, 4, all the states and their capitals next to them. Then you come on to the union territories. You write the names of all the union territories. Clear? Then please go through
Yes.
explanation 1, 2, and 3. I will be sending you the third one. Clear? And the day we meet next time, we will be quickly going through all the work that we have done in explanation 1, 2, and 3. Clear? In that,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
let me just tell you briefly about the explanation 1. Clear? The chapter deals with India and it is telling you all the details about the country. Clear? It tells you about the country's location. India is in which continent?
Ma'am, Asia.
Very
Yeah.
good. Very good. So India is in Asia. And if you see the picture here, wait a second, I'll show you again. If you see the picture here, you'll see that,
Ma'am.
see here, India is in the southern part of Asia. This is Asia and India lies in the southern. This is north, this is south. So India lies in the southern part and it is also called Indian subcontinent. Why? Because India is all in all. All the geographical features are very aptly given in India. So India is also known as Indian
रुको
subcontinent area. Okay. Now then
रुको
they talked of the various size. They talked about the size of India. Now we know India is the seventh largest country. Okay. There are six other larger countries than India. India comes on the seventh number. Then it is the second most populous country. That means the population of the country is second in number. And the first one is China. China is the most populous country. Many people live here. Okay, population of China is more than India, is more than every other country in the world. So China comes first, and then the second is India. Okay, then they talked of in the next paragraph about the placing. The southernmost part of India is the Peninsula India. Now, where Peninsula India, when we are talking of, it will mean that India is surrounded by water on three sides. This side we have Arabian Sea, this side we have Indian Ocean, and here we have Bay of Bengal. So let me repeat. In the western side, we have Arabian Sea. In the southern side, we have Indian Ocean, and in the eastern side, we have Bay of Bengal. Clear? Then they talked of the lowest point of the country, that is the Indira point. Now, the lowest point should have been here somewhere in India, within India, but no, since these islands are also a part of India, these are Lakshadweep Islands, and this is Andaman and Nicobar Islands, if you see. So the lowest point of the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, here, it's turning very smudgy. Wait. The lowest part of these islands here is the Indira point, okay, which is below even the tip of India. So Indira Point is the lowest point in the south part of India in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Clear? Then they tell you the latitudinal and longitudinal extent of the country. That means किस latitude से किस latitude तक India है और किस longitude और किस longitude तक है. Clear? We all know that India lies in the northern hemisphere and in the eastern hemisphere. Okay. We also know that Tropic of Cancer passes through India. Can you see this line here? This line here. If you see this, this is the Tropic of Cancer. Can you see here Tropic of Cancer passing through India, right in the center? Clear? Then they talked of the standard meridian from which the time is calculated. Now, how time is calculated? There are various longitudes here, but we take 82.5 degrees. This is 80, this is 84. That means 82 comes somewhere in the center here. That means this latitude we follow and we calculate the time for India. This latitude lies in the center. If you see India, this is the center point from here and from here. Did you get it? So this is the center point, 82. Did you get it? So this is the center point. Yeah, this is calculated as the standard time of India. From this latitude, the standard time is calculated. Yeah, the explanation has been given. You can go through it. Then they talked of the neighboring countries of India. Clear? Now, which are the neighboring countries? We have Pakistan and Afghanistan in the northeast, western side. Then we have China, Nepal, and Bhutan in the northern side. Then we have Bangladesh and Myanmar in the eastern side. These are the land side countries. Then near to the water body, we have Sri Lanka in the south, and then there are Maldives. It is below here, this portion. All these are Maldives. Okay, so these are the neighboring countries of India. Clear? Then they talk of the political division, where they tell us that India has been divided into various states and union territories. And they have also told you that Rajasthan is the largest state. Okay. And they have told you that earlier it was Madhya Pradesh, but then it was divided. So now it is Rajasthan, which is the largest state, and Goa is the smallest state. Okay? Is this much clear? We'll go through you'll go through the explanation and you'll see what is to be done. Clear? Any problem?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. So we end this class now.